Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. So in this video, I will explain you analysis and designing of high-rise building by using StatPro V8i software. So I was already done my modeling process in my previous video. Please follow that video for modeling process. I will provide you that video link in below description and above card link for this respected structure. So after modeling process completed, we have to apply the load cases. So for that, initially we have to click on general option, select loads and definitions option. So initially I will define the seismic loading condition as well as wind loading condition. So here I am selecting seismic definition, click on add. So here we have to select the seismic loading condition as per Indian standard system. So click on generate option. So here we have to select the city. This time I am selecting city as Delhi. Let us take Delhi is the city. We have to design this respected building in Delhi city, which is consisting of 0.24 is the seismic coefficient value factor, which is comes under your zone 4 condition. So here I am selecting special RC movement resisting frame with the response reduction factor is 5 and importance factor is 1. So now I am selecting medium soil condition and RC framed building. Click on generate. So it will generate your respected parameters here like this. So here I am selecting damping ratio, which is of 0.05. So here we have to import the damping ratio as 0.05. Click on add button. So after adding this respected values, we have to add the self weight factor as 1. Now we have to select the member weight. Now we have to change the concentrated load to uniform load. So here we have to calculate the dead load of the beam. Just I am taking 0.23 cross 0.5 is the dimensions for the column. We have to multiply this respected value with 25. So it will give the value of 2.875 is the intensity of weight. 2.875. Click on add, close. So here we have to select this respected uniform load. So we have to select the front view. So we have to select all the beam sections. So click on assign to selected beams option, assign yes option. So after that we have to go to wind definitions here. Click on add button. So select type 1 wind 1, click on add, close. Select type 1 wind 1, click on add button. So here we have to give the intensity. So here I am considering intensity of 2, which is at 63 meter. Again I am taking intensity of 1.5, which is at 45 meter. Again I am taking 1 is the intensity, which is at 30 meter. Again I am taking 0.5 meter, which is intensity of 15. 0 is the intensity, otherwise I am taking 0.1, which is at 3 meter. So click on add button. So here we have to add the exposure factor as 1. Click on add, close. Select exposure 1. Just I'm clicking on assign to view, assign and yes option. So after that we have to define the load case details. Select load case details here. Click on add button. So initially we have to define the seismic load, which is related to earthquake load in X direction condition. Add it. Again I am taking earthquake load in Z direction condition. Add it. So after that just I am taking wind load, which is in X direction condition. Add button. Again I am selecting wind load in Z direction condition, add button. So select your dead loading condition, DL, add. Again I am selecting live load condition, LL, add. So after that click on cancel option. So select earthquake load in X direction condition. We have to apply the load which is in X direction. So further click on add. So select your seismic load which is in X direction with the factor 1, add button, close option. Select earthquake load in Z direction, add button. Select the respective load cases which is related to your seismic condition which is in Z direction with the factor 1, add button, close option. Select wind X, add button. So select your wind load which is in X direction with the factor 1. So click on add button, close option. So again in the same way we have to add the wind in minus Y direction. So here I am selecting factor as -1, add button. So after that we have to select the Z direction values. Wind Z, click on add. So select your respected wind load which is in Z direction condition with the factor 1, add button. Again I am selecting -1 is the factor, add button, close option. So after that we have to select the dead load, click on add. Select your self weight, add button, close option. Select self weight with the help of assign to view, assign yes option. So after that select the live load option, click on add button. So here we have to select the floor load. This time assuming intensity of 3.5 which is acting at a distance of 3 meter and 63 meter maximum height. Click on add, close. So this is the Y range which is nothing but your live loading condition for this respected structure. So after applying the live loading condition, So we had to apply the load combinations also. Okay, so for that, go to select your load case details option here, click on add button. So select your auto load combinations, select it as Indian standard code, click on generate loads. So click on add button, that will add your respected load combinations here like this. So select your material, select concrete here, assign to view, assign yes option. So after that, go to analysis and print, add your no print option, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we have to check for the zero errors for this respected structure. So here my model is checking for the zero errors here. So after 2 minutes of analysis, my model is showing zero errors here. Go to post processing mode, click on done option. So click on apply your all load cases, click on OK. So this is a deflection diagram for this expected high-rise building due to presence of the live loading condition, earthquake load in X direction condition. So earthquake load in Z direction condition. So dead load wind load in X direction condition. So dead load condition. So after that we have to select the beam, deselect MZ value, select Fy value. So this is a shear force diagram for this respective structure due to presence of dead load. Again I am selecting MZ. So this is the bending moment diagram for this respective structure. So after that select plate load, apply your stress type as absolute pressure, click on apply, click on OK. So now we can see this is the absolute pressure diagram for the dead loading. Wind load in X, wind load in Z direction, wind load in X direction, wind load in Z direction. So dead load condition, live load condition. So after that we have to go to animation, click on deflection, click on apply, click on OK. So this is the deflection diagram due to presence of live load, dead load condition. So again I am selecting earthquake load X direction, earthquake load Z direction condition. So this is the deflection. So after analysis process completed, we have to design this respective structure. So for that, click on modeling, select design option. So here we have to select the concrete frame design, select code as IS456 code. So here we have to select the parameters which is related to this respective IS code. So click on select the parameters. Initially just I am deselecting all selected parameters. From this just I am selecting compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum main, maximum secondary. So click on OK. So after that click on define parameters. So here I am assuming M40 grade for construction of this respected project. M40, add it. Fy main, just I am taking it as a 600 grade, 600,000, add button. Again I am selecting Fy section also 600 grade, Fe 600 grade steel. Click on add button. Select maximum main, just I am taking it as 20 mm, add button. Maximum secondary, just I am taking it as 12 mm. Click on add, close. So after that select commands option. We have to select the design beam command, add button. Again I am selecting design column command, add button. Select design slab element command, add button. Select takeoff command, add button, close option. So after that we have to assign the question marks for this respective structure. Select FC, click on assign to view, assign yes option. Again select Fy main, click on assign to view, assign yes option. Again select Fy section, click on assign to view, assign yes option. Select Fy main, maximum main, assign to view, assign yes. Maximum secondary, assign to view, assign yes. Again select the design beam. We have to select the beams which are in horizontal direction. So here I am selecting the beams which are in horizontal direction for this respected structure. So click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that select design column. So we have to select the beams parallel to y direction, vertical direction. Assign to selected beams, assign yes. Select the design element, the help of assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to go to analysis and print option, add your no print. In the same way click on close option, analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we have to check for the zero errors for this respected design also. So here my model is checking for the zero errors. So here my model is observed with zero errors. Go to post processing mode, click on done again. Again deselect the deflection diagram. So select the beam. So deselect the bending moment diagram. So select any one of the beam from this respective structure. So here I am selecting top beam. Double click on it. Click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design for this respected beam. It will be consisting of 6 bars of 10 mm dia, 200 center to center distance at the top, and bottom reinforcement will be consisting of 6 bars of 10 mm dia, 30 center to center distance at the bottom. Again stirrups will be consisting of 16 numbers, 8 center to center distance for this respective section. So after that click on cancel button. So after that select any one of the column from this respective structure. So here I am selecting column number this respected column 91, double click on it, click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design for this respected section. So it will be consisting of 20 number of bars which is having dimensions of 12 mm is the diameter for construction of this respected 0.5 cross 0.5 column section. So this is the AST percentage and this is the AST requirement for that respected M40 grade Fe 600 grade steel. So after that we had to check the output file for this respected design. So for that, click on start output file option. So click on results option here. So it will load your respected number of pages here like this. So it will be consisting of 2680 pages. So click on concrete design. So select any one of the beam. So this is the each and individual calculation part and calculation results which is related to your respected beam as well as your respected column for the G plus 20 story high-rise building. Okay, so this is the calculation part for this respected beam section design, column section design and slab section design. So after that, click on close option. So after that we have to design the foundation for this respected high-rise building. So click on foundation design. So here I'm selecting earthquake load and wind load. So select dead load, live load, include this, click on run standard foundation. The fixed supports of this respected high-rise building will be directly imported to respected StatPro foundation software. So these are the fixed supports. We have to design the foundation for this respected fixed supports. So for that, initially we have to define the load combinations. Select loads and factors here. Click on generate load combinations. Now here we have to select the Indian standard system. So click on generate load combinations for the service load combination initially. Again click on generate load combination for the ultimate load combination. So click on cancel button. So after that we have to select the what we call job setup. Select create job. Just I'm assuming it as number as 1A. Let us consider isolated footing, which is comes under your Indian standard system, which is having SI system assigned to all supports. So here we have to select the load combination as 101, 102, 201, 202, 203, 204. Include this. Click on create job. So it will create your respected job like this, isolated footing job. So click on concrete and rebar value, cover and child type, geometry, sliding and overturning. Click on design option, click on S button. So it will design the respected foundation as per IS 456-2000 code. So this is the foundation design as per IS 456-2000 code. Select any one of the footing. Just I'm selecting 7th one. So this is the each and individual calculation part for this respected foundation. So click on starting page. So this is the geometry. So this is details and drawing, GA drawing for this respected structure. So this is the process, analysis and designing of high-rise building G plus 20 by using StatPro V8i software. Thank you.